Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 4 best time tracking software tools to track your virtual assistant. Now, because you are paying a virtual assistant by the hour and you are not tracking time properly, you are honestly just guessing how much work you are getting for your money. And that's exactly how you end up with confusion over hours, scope creep, and that awkward conversation like, so what? I did you work on this week? So make sure that you watch this video till the very end because I will count down from number 4 to number 1 and I will explain which tools are the best if you want a simple timesheet, light monitoring, or full activity tracking. I've also included the links of all of these tools down in the description. So if you are interested, you can check that out. With the help of those links, you will get the discounts and it also supports the channel. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, before we jump into the list, here is what I've looked for when choosing these tools. First of all, the tool must be easy for your virtual assistant to use because if it is confusing, they won't log time properly. Second thing is that it should support projects and tasks so that you can clearly see where the hours are going, like email management, social media posting, research, or admin work. The third thing is that it must have reports so that you can view weekly or monthly summaries and export them if needed. The fourth point is optional screenshots and activity tracking is a plus, but only if you want extra visibility. Finally, it should integrate with the tools that you already use like ClickUp, Trello, or Asana. Also, one important thing, time tracking should create clarity and trust and not spine. So the goal here is transparency and fairness for both the sides. So let's dive into the countdown. So as you can see, number 4 in the list is Clockify. Clockify is one of the most popular free time trackers online. It is built mainly for tracking time by the projects and the tasks, and it is perfect if you just want to answer two questions like how many hours did you work and what did you work on. So, this particular tool is best if your virtual assistant is trustworthy and you don't need heavy monitoring. You just want structure, clear logs, and a professional timesheet system. Now, what I like about this particular tool is that it gives your virtual assistant two options. Like they can either start with a timer with one click and they can manually add the hours at the end of the day. It also lets you create the projects and the tags so that you can label the work clearly, like email replies or Canva designs or data entry or client follow ups. And the timesheet view makes it super easy for your virtual assistant to review their week and adjust the entries before submitting. Now, if I talk about the pros of Clockify, I would like to say that it is extremely easy to set up. You can explain it to your virtual assistant in just 5 minutes. It also keeps everything clean and organized, so you stop relying on the text me your hours. And because it supports reports, you can see exactly how time is split across the tasks. Here are some of the downside too, like the first downside that I would like to mention is that it is not made for monitoring. It doesn't focus on the screenshots or deep activity tracking. So if your main issue is trust, this won't solve that. It is more about logging and reporting and then controlling. Now, if we go to the pricing section, you will see that they have a free plan available and it will be sufficient for most of the people. But if you want advanced features, the paid plans start around a few dollars per month. So here, number third in the list is Toggle Track. Toggle Track is really clean and professional time tracking tool. It is popular with freelancers and remote teams because it feels lightweight, but the reporting is quite powerful. Now, Toggle Track is best if you want to understand the value and not just the time, like which tasks are eating the hours and what's actually contributing to the business growth. Now, if we go to the solutions section, you will see all of the features that Toggle Track provides you. So as you can see, this software makes time tracking feel very simple. Your virtual assistant can track the time through the web application, desktop application, or even with the help of their browser extension. But the best part is the reporting. Toggle is going to give you the visual breakdowns like pie charts and weekly summaries so that you can instantly see the patterns. For example, you might realize that your virtual assistant is spending 10 hours per week on something that should only take 2 hours, and that's where your optimization starts. If I talk about its pros, it's super easy to read the reports here and it doesn't overwhelm you with the complicated dashboards. It also helps you spot the trends quickly, which makes it great if you are trying to improve your workflow. It is strong upgrade if you want more than a basic timesheet, but it still don't want monitoring. The cons are also available here. Toggle doesn't focus on the screenshots or activity tracking like monitoring tools do. So if you want visibility like what was on their screen, it won't be your best pick. So if you go to the pricing, you can see that they have the free plan and paid pricing usually starts at around $9 per month. So here it depends on the feature, so you will get to use it absolutely for free. Now, the number second tool in the list is TimeChamp, which was previously named as Time Doctor. So, TimeChamp is a more serious tool because it goes beyond time tracking. It shows you not only how long your virtual assistant worked, but also what they were doing during that time. So this is the tool that is best if you are paying the hourly and you want proof that time was spent on work. It's also useful if you are working with a new virtual assistant and you have done issues with the distraction in the past. Now, this software tracks time by the projects and the tasks, but it also supports the optional screenshots at intervals. It tracks websites and the apps too. So you can see time spent on the Gmail, Google Docs, Canva, or YouTube, and it gives you the activity matrix like mouse and the keyboard usage so that you can get a clearer picture of the focus levels. It can even alert for the distractions if too much time is spent on the non-work websites. Now, it gives you the evidence-based time tracking, which is a plus point. It reduces that stress feeling of am I overpaying? It is also going to create the accountability without needing the micromanagement. Now, this particular tool also has some of the cons which I would like to mention. Like the biggest thing is this, you have to use it carefully. Monitoring tools can easily feel invasive if you don't communicate properly. So if you use this tool, you should always be upfront and tell your virtual assistant exactly what it tracks. The goal here is protection and fairness and not spying on someone. Now, number one in the list is Hubstaff. Hubstaff is basically the most complete solution on this particular list. It combines time tracking, screenshots, activity levels, reporting, scheduling, and even payroll features. So this particular tool is best if you have one virtual assistant today, but you plan to scale into a small remote team. It works well for the agencies, e-commerce teams, and business owners that are managing multiple contractors. This particular platform supports time tracking by the project and the task. It can also track activity levels. It supports optional screenshots like Time Doctor, but it feels more like a full team dashboard. It also includes scheduling, timesheets, and payroll export. So paying your virtual assistant becomes very easy. It also integrates with ClickUp, Trello, Asana, and more. So if I talk about the pros, what makes Hubstaff number one is that it gives you the best of everything. It has Clockify style clarity, toggle style time organization, and time doctor style visibility all in one platform. It scales really well, so you won't need to switch the tools later when you hire more people. The only drawback is that it can feel too much if you only have one virtual assistant and you just want a simple timer. Also, monitoring features must be used with consent and it can also damage the trust. So, these are the 4 best time tracking software tools to track your virtual assistants in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.